Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. The essence of this video is to primarily check if your survey that have been designed on AutoCAD is well situated on the said property. So this is a survey plan and it is designed on AutoCAD already. So I want to see if it is well situated on the said property. So to do just that, all you have to do is to retrace the boundary points of the pillar by using the polylines on AutoCAD. So we want to extract just the boundary points. We do not need the informations of the rest of the plan. So the boundary point has been retraced, so I'm just going to click on it, right click, then come to clipboard, then I'm going to cut it. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I'm going to open a new drawing environment on AutoCAD. Okay, then the next thing is to paste your original coordinates by right clicking on the work environment, then go to clipboard, then go to paste to original coordinates, then click it. Then when you click on it, you do zoom to extent. So this is a traced boundary point, and this is what we are interested in. So what we want to see is the property boundary, if it is well situated on said property. Alright, so when you are done with extracting the boundary property, you need to save this particular job with another file name. So I'm just going to save this with another file name by clicking on Ctrl S on my keyboard. Then I'm just going to call this chat. Then I'm going to click on save. So when it's saved, you must close it on AutoCAD so that it can appear on other software. So you come to your global mapper, then you go to file, go to open data files, then you navigate to where your saved AutoCAD job is. So I want to look for it, so this is it here, chat. Then I'm going to click on open. Then here I'm going to click on OK. So this is the major important thing. So I want to define the projection system which this job was done. So this job was done somewhere in Lagos, Nigeria. So the Lagos, Nigeria uses the vector 4, which is synonymous to the MENA UTM. Right, so here I am going to click on the projection here. Then I'm going to click on UTM. So guys, you are expected to know the projection system which the job was done on. Alright, so if your job is done on Nigerian national origin, you're expected to use the traverse Mercator. Okay, so in subsequent videos, I'm going to show you on how to define the projection system for Nigerian national origin on Global Mapper. However, in the course of this video, we are using the UTM. So you click on the UTM, then you come to the zone, you check the zone. So I'll be checking the zone of this particular survey, so it's zone 31. So the datum is Nigeria MENA. Alright, then these parameters are already there. Then the next thing is to click on OK. So have you seen it? The projection system must be well defined. So when it's done, you click on OK. So this is the job that has been done on MENA, the survey job, the survey plan. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to export to KML so that I can see where it falls on Google Earth. So I'm going to come to layer, then you come to export layers to new file. Then here, if yours is not showing KML stroke KMZ, click on it. You are going to see different format. You can export your vector survey plan. So I'm using the KML stroke KMZ. Alright, then click on OK. Then here you click on OK as well. So here you are going to name the file. So here I'm going to call this chatting. So you make sure you know the folder is entering, then click on save. So when you are done, you are expected to close the Looper Mapper window. Then you have to navigate to where the job is on your desktop. So it's on jobs. This is the folder. I saved it. So I'm going to scroll down to where charting is. So you can see this is charting and this is the KML KMZ Google Earth file. So I'm just going to click on that. So make sure your system is connected to an active internet before you open that. So then you double click on the KML file to open it on Google Earth. So let's see. Yeah, it is going to launch us. So let's see where it is going to launch us on the property, which is somewhere in Lagos, Nigeria. So make sure you just follow the steps we displayed. So this is the property here and it is getting clearer and more clearer. So let it become more clearer so that we can see. Okay, all right. So as you can see, this is the property and it might be definitely exact. As you can see, it is fenced. So the property is fenced. So this is the property here, down to this region and down to the back. All right, so this is how to preliminary overlay your survey plan by projecting using Looper Mapper, then down to Google Earth. Please, if you've watched this video to this extent, do well to hit the subscribe icon and turn on your notification so that you can keep getting valuable content as we keep uploading our tutorial videos. Thank you. So guys, that is all in the course of this video in projecting your survey plans and overlaying on Google Earth. If you find this video helpful, please do well to hit on the subscribe icon as well as turn on your notification to keep getting valuable content that will help you grow. Thank you. See you next time.